Welcome to a Young Living Product Talk. My name is Katie and today we're going to be covering lavender essential oil. Lavender is one of my favorite essential oils and I use it every single day. I'm a researcher by nature, so I wanted to dig deeper and find out the history of lavender, where Young Living grows their lavender, and my favorite ways to use the oil, as well as some tips and tricks. So let's get into it. Young Living grows a specific type of lavender called English lavender. And for all my science nerds out there, the science name for it is Lavender angustifolia. However, it may surprise you to know that English lavender is not actually native to England. It's native to the Mediterranean area. So Spain, France, Italy, Croatia, etc. The species name angustifolia is Latin for narrow leaf. English lavender's scientific name actually used to be called Lavender officinalis. Officinalis actually describes plants that have medicinal properties. The flowers and leaves of English lavender are used as herbal medicine in either essential oils or herbal tea. A really awesome fact about Young Living's lavender is that it takes 27 square feet of lavender plant to create one 15 milliliter bottle of lavender essential oil. Young Living's lavender has a beautiful scent that is a blend of fresh, floral, calm, and very clean. Lavender is one of Young Living's most popular products. So if you're new to essential oils, this is also a great beginner oil and it comes in the premium starter kit that Young Living has. So that is a huge plus. Where does Young Living grow their lavender? Well, one of the many amazing facts about Young Living is that they own their own farms. That I know of and that I've done research on, Young Living has 2 lavender farms in the US and 1 in France. How cool is that? The first one is located in Mona, Utah. It's called Whispering Springs Farm. The second one is called St. Mary's Lavender Farm, and that is located in St. Mary's, Idaho. The third one is a farm in France, and I'm not even going to attempt to try to pronounce the farm's name, but here's an amazing picture of it, and it's so beautiful. So how do you know that you're getting exactly what you say that you're getting? Just pure lavender essential oil. Well, the amazing thing is Young Living has a great seed to seal promise so that you and your family can use these oils with peace of mind. I know, it sounds like a slogan. Seed to seal is actually their promise though. So if you are interested in learning more about Young Living's Seed to Seal promise, go ahead and click on this video. It'll take you to a great explanation of that promise. Young Living's lavender can also be found in blends like Stress Away, Harmony, Rutavala, Tranquil, and Forgiveness. As you get more familiar with Young Living, you'll notice that there's 2 different labels throughout the website. So there's a white label and a colored label. The white label is Young Living's Vitality line. This just means that you can actually ingest those oils. This is because the FDA has to have separate labels for internal and topical use, so they have to be labeled separately. However, it's important to know that the oils inside of the 2 bottles are actually the same oils. So if you only feel comfortable consuming the ones that have the white labels, that's fine, but I use both because I know that they're the same oils that are in both of those bottles. Okay, let's get into my favorite ways to use lavender and some tips and tricks. Hands down, my favorite way to use lavender is in the diffuser. When you get your premium starter kit from Young Living, you get a beautiful diffuser, which I will link a picture here because it is so gorgeous. And that is my favorite way. It's just because you can breathe it in and it's just in the air and it's calming and relaxing. So diffusing is my all-time favorite way to use lavender. Here are some tips and tricks on how to use lavender in other ways. Add 2 drops of lavender essential oil to your regular old mascara to promote healthy, full lashes. Add a couple lavender drops to your shampoo so you can have a really relaxing scalp massage. Make a basic body scrub using coconut oil, lavender, and sugar. Create your own relaxing atmosphere by adding 4 drops of lavender to 1 cup of Epsom salt and put that in your bath. And again, back to the diffusing, diffuse 2 to 3 drops of lavender every single night before you go to bed, and you will get such a restful night's sleep. If you are ready to get started with your Young Living Premium Starter Kit, click this link. It'll take you right where you need to go to get started. Otherwise, comment below, message me, text me if you have my number. Let's talk, let's get questions answered, and let's do this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.